Now let us go to the second model of construction of quadrilaterals. Let us see how to construct when 3 sides and 2 diagonals are given. Make a note that always there should be 5 measurements given to construct any quadrilateral. So let us see an example where we are given 3 sides and 2 diagonals. Construct a quadrilateral ABCD where in AB equal to 7 cm, BC 5 cm, DA 4 cm, AC 8 cm and BD 5.7 cm. First observe carefully out of these given measurements what are sides and what are diagonals in this. If the letters are like adjacent letters like AB, BC, CD, DA, they are all sides. If the letters are skipped by a letter like AC, here B is skipped. Like BD, here C is skipped. That means they are diagonals. If the letters are adjacent letters, they are sides. And if the letters are skipped by a letter in the middle, they are diagonals. Okay. Now let us start. Now as usual, let us first draw the rough sketch of the given measurements. Let us draw a base AB. Then complete any shape of a quadrilateral. Name it as ABCD. And also draw inside 2 diagonals AC and BD. And now mark all the given measurements on it. Given AB 7 cm, BC 5 cm, and DA given 4 cm, and given AC as 8 cm. Write 8 cm here also. And BD 5.7 cm. So write here 5.7 cm. So these are all the measurements given according to the figure. Now take a ruler and draw a line segment. We are drawing AB length. So exactly it should be 8 cm, sorry 7 cm. Name it as AB 7 cm under that. Now let us draw a point D which is 4 cm from A and 5.7 cm from B. So for that let us take a compass, open a radius of 4 cm with center A. This 4 cm take it on A, and with A as center draw a arc of 4 cm. Next similarly open a radius of 5.7 cm. We are going to construct point D. So point D is at 5.7 cm from B. So take radius of 5.7 cm and put it on B with B as center, and draw another arc to cut the previous arc. Now name this intersection point of the 2 arcs as point D. Now join AD, mark it as 4 cm. Mark it as 4 cm. And join B to D also. It should be 5.7 cm. Yes, it is. So write it as 5.7 on that line segment. 5.7. Okay. Now let us construct point C. This is 8 cm from A and 5 cm from B. Okay. So let us take again compass. Open a radius of 8 cm. Now we are going to construct point C. This is 8 cm from A. So open 8 cm radius and put it on A. Put it on A and draw an arc with A center of radius 8 cm. Draw an arc. Again take a radius of 5 cm because it is 5 cm from B. So we are going to draw one more arc from B, taking 5 cm as the radius. So with B as center and radius 5 cm, draw another arc to cut the previous arc. This point of intersection of the 2 arcs should be named as point C. We got point C. Now join as usual A to C, which is a diagonal 8 cm. Yes, this is 8 cm. Write 8 cm on that. Mark this as 8 cm. And next carefully join B to C also. B to C length actually according to the question it is 5 cm. Okay, this is 5 cm. So write it on this line segment also 5 cm. Now we got 2 triangles ABD and ACB. So now join C to D to complete the quadrilateral. Join C and D. If it is asked find the 4th line segment, you need to write the measurement measuring that. So actually the figure is completed. This is the required ABCD quadrilateral. Let us see another example. Construct the quadrilateral with the measurements given below. Quadrilateral GOLD where OL is 7.5 cm, GL 6 cm, LD 5 cm, DG 5.5 cm and OD 8 cm. In this given question, first we need to identify what are diagonals and what are sides in this. As I said earlier, if the letters are side by side adjacent letters, they are called sides, and if the letters are skipped by a letter in the middle, they are diagonals. Okay, OL here, OL is 7.5. OL is a letters side by side. So OL is a side. And next GL. G and L are letters which are alternate, skipped by one letter in the middle. So this is a diagonal. Similarly, LD. LD are side by side letters, so it is a side. And DG, when the quadrilateral is constructed, this and this will come side by side. So that means this is also a side. And OD. O and D are skipped by one letter L. That means this is a diagonal. So we are given 3 sides and 2 diagonals. Okay, now let us start the rough sketch of this figure. So if you want to construct the figure, first of all, let us take any one of the side as base. So let us take OL as the base. So let us draw it as at the bottom, OL, and obviously G comes up. You can draw any shape of any quadrilateral. So GOLD. So let us write the measurements given on this. 7.5 centimeter. LD is 5 centimeter. And GD or DG, which is 5.5 centimeter. And you are given GL, which is a diagonal 6 centimeter. And you are given another diagonal OD 8 centimeter. So this is 8 centimeter. So this is your rough sketch. Now let us start the actual construction. Take a ruler and draw a line segment of 7.5 centimeters. Draw exactly 7.5 centimeters and name it as OL. This is our base, which is one of the side of the quadrilateral, 7.5 centimeter. Okay, now we are going to construct point D, which is 8 centimeters from O and 5 centimeters from L. So take a compass and open the compass up to 5 centimeters. 5 centimeters as radius, and with L as center, draw an arc of 5 centimeters. We are going to construct point D from here. So this is 5 centimeters through L. Next, take a compass again and open the compass to 8 centimeters radius, because D is at 8 centimeters from O. So put it on O and draw an arc of 8 centimeters. Let the two arcs meet at point D. So join O to D, which is 8 centimeter, and join D to L, which is 5 centimeter. Immediately mark the measurements on that. Right here 8 centimeter. And write DL as 5 centimeter. Next, we are going to construct point G, which is 5.5 from D and 6 centimeter from L. So let us take compass and open the compass up to 5.5 centimeters from, we are going to construct an arc from D. So 5.5 centimeters, put it on D and draw an arc of 5.5 centimeters from D. So we are going to construct point G now. Okay, next, take the compass and put it on 0 and open the compass from 0 to 6 centimeters. Now we are constructing 6 centimeters arc through L. From L it is 6 centimeters. So open 6 centimeters. This is exactly 6. Put it on L. L as center and 6 centimeters as radius. Draw another arc to cut the previous arc. Let the two arcs meet at a point G. This is okay. Now join L to G. This should be 6 centimeter. And join D to G also, which is 5.5 centimeter. To complete the quadrilateral, you need to join the fourth side also, O to G. Okay, this is your point G. I didn't mention that, I'll mention now. This is 6 centimeters and this is 5.5 centimeters, and this point is G. And if it is asked at the fourth line segment, you need to write it as, measure it and write 2.7 centimeters. So here it is